Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
I love you all. She's flying kiss. Ay, flying kiss din sa ila. Flying kiss.
How? Like this. How?
Bugaya ni mo na ko eh.
Daddy! Come back!
Welcome back to our channel. So, it's another day and another vlog. Lunch break na namin, guys, and I've got the gang again. I'm gonna go for a walk to the shops and have a look at Paris. She is wearing the puffer jacket that Daddy bought her yesterday. Honey! Baba! Uy! Shows that, B? Shows that your jacket? Ayan. She looks very warm and comfy. Pagpasensyahan nyo muna yung mukha natin ngayon, guys, kasi ayan, oh. Hindi ko sinukla yung buhok kaninang umaga. And kasi pagkagising ko, guys, late na kasi si ate nagising nyo. Kaya straight na ako sa trabaho. And yun, naghugas na lang ako ng mukha. Pero yung buhok ko hindi ko na sinuklay. Tinali ko na lang ng ganyan, guys. Oh.
Okay, walking.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, she's running. She's running.
Run.
My auto, guys. It's really good. Oh, what's that? What is that? What's the color? Huh? What is that? White stone. Na just one. Oy, kikasaban to tag-iya. Go. Go, Daddy.
Hi, stars. Good done. Yay!
They're cutting the trees, guys. Sayang. Yan, oh. Monday pala ngayon, guys, kaya walang childcare si Paris. Kasama namin siya ngayon. And ito pala yung pinili ni Michael. Kahapon, guys. Itong pinakita ko to sa haul kahapon eh. Suot-suot na niya. Gusto niya pala, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko type yung kulay.
Oh, that's so unfair.
But yeah, he loves it. That's the main thing.
What did you say?
Bibili lang muna ako ng donuts para may pang-snacks na.
Papa.
Then guys, Dowdies! Katatapos ko lang mag-work, people, and tingnan nyo, oh, naka-robe pa ako niyan. Pagka-uwi namin kanina after lunch break, nag-robe talaga ako agad-agad kasi hindi kami nagpa-heater, guys, kasi para mag-save back. Mahal-mahal kasi ng kuryente. So, ayan, nag-robe na lang ako para hindi ako ginawin. And may gagawin pala tayo this afternoon, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung gagawin natin, ha? So, dito sa ating hallway, meron tayong dalawang malaking plastic bags. So, ito ay yung mga labahin namin, guys. So, ito yung mga dark colors and ito yung white. Ayan. So, nakalabas yan sila, guys, kasi ang dami na talaga naming labahin, guys. Hindi na namin ma-carry. Like, they are everywhere na talaga. Dito sa couch namin, meron pa akong tutupiin. And we can't keep up. And it just shows na marami kaming damit. Marami talaga kaming damit, guys, kasi meron pa ako nandun sa washing machine, meron pang tutupiin dito, tapos meron pang nakahang, tapos may mga labahin pa dyan, guys. Oh, so sabi ni Mike na dadalhin na lang daw namin sa laundry shop. So, ipapalabada namin, guys, kasi hindi na talaga kaya. Very cold na kasi sa labas, tapos paggabi minsan umuulan. So, hindi kami naghahang ng mga damit sa labas. Dito lang sa loob, sa isang maliit lang na clothes rack na ganyan. Tapos, nagdadry lang siya pag nag-on kami ng heater. And hindi naman karamihan yung nalalagay sa clothes horse, guys. Kaya, natambak na ang aming labahin. Ayan. So, yung laundry shop naman dito, guys, is not very far. I think it's only less than 5 minutes lang talaga na drive. Sa isang kanto lang, guys. So, dadalhin namin doon at doon namin lalabhan. Para, baka while nandun kami, guys, ida-dryer na lang din namin para pag uwi namin dito, tutupiin na lang siya. So, yun yung gagawin namin this afternoon, guys. Kasi, hindi na talaga kaya, guys. Sobrang kalat na dito sa bahay kasi ang dami na talagang mga damit everywhere. And hopefully, medyo malinis sa tingnan yung bahay, guys, pag natapos na natin labhan lahat. But yun nga, after nitong labhan, yung tutupiin na naman natin, guys, is ain't no mountain high enough. Let's go, kids. Let's go.
Go away.
Let's go to the washing now.
No, baby can play.
No, baby. Honey girl, put the thing on. Put your jacket on na.
No.
Mano ka karon.
And your daddy. For the rock. Rock.
No more monkey.
No.
Down on the bed.
One little monkey. Patay ang papa. Is daddy okay? Oh no, daddy's boo-boo. Check daddy. Check daddy. Arty po din siya eh.
Down on the bed.
Alin na.
Run.
You got the car keys, Bob?
Huh?
Got the car keys? Punta na kami magpapalabada.
Stop.
Ah, that's what they were doing before. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. So, malinis na yung kahoy, guys. Pinutulan nila kanina. Hindi na kami, guys, but idadrop lang namin si Mike. Ayun siya sa likod, oh. Siya na lang yung maghihintay dito kasi magluluto pa ako ng dinner, guys. And babalikan na lang namin siya mamaya pagkatapos. Ayun. Parang homeless. Parang homeless, you guys, oh. How much is it?
So to do 2 loads, it cost me one load cost me $11 and the other load cost me $8.
How much? The other one?
One was 11, one was 8.
Okay, yeah.
And then to dry it,
What is that based on? Is that based on the weight?
no, it's because like there's only 2 $8 dryers and then the other one's being used.
Yeah.
So I had to use the $11 one, the big one.
Okay.
Because the small ones, the $6 ones, your clothes wouldn't fit in there. And then the dryer is going to be about $10. But I think I can put both clothes in the one dryer.
Oh, is it massive?
Yeah.
That's good.
And I found $4 in one of your jeans, and it's mine now.
That's good. Guys, nasa bahay na kami, and yun nga, kakatawag lang ni Mike. Sabi ni Mike, very expensive daw, kasi nga dalawa yung plastic bags na pinakita ko kanina, di ba? Isa para sa mga puti, tapos isa para sa mga dark colors na mga damit. Sabi niya, yung isa daw $11, tapos yung isa $8. Tapos, ita-dry pa yun siya. So, it will be another $10 at least. Pero that's better na, guys. Kesa naman dito sa bahay. Matagal-tagalan pa bago malabhan. And, yeah, I came home, guys, kasi magluluto ako ng adobo. Chicken adobo tonight. So, ayan, guys, oh. Meron tayong chicken wingets dito. And we bought this from, saan nga ba? IGA. And for this, guys, it's for $6.20. Ayan. And yung gagamitin ko is this Mamasitas. Ayan, para madali lang siya, guys, ba? Adobo mix. Ayan. So, mabilis lang ang ating pagluto. And then, meron din tayong garlic. So, I'm just gonna cook now, guys. And I will speak to you again later on. Bye! So, ayan, guys. Kakalagay ko lang ng chicken. Tapos, I let it boil para mag-tender na yung meat natin, guys. And while that's boiling, kaviran natin ang ganito, guys. Oh. Ayan, guys. Oh, pobre man tayong ulay. Yung ating taklob ay hindi kasya, but it doesn't matter, guys. Okay na yan. While that's boiling, magluto muna tayo ng kanin. Magluluto na tayo ng kanin, guys. Ayan. So, 2 baso yung lulutuin ko, guys, kasi alam niyo naman, chicken adobo, alam na, extra rice. So, 2 baso yung lutuin natin. Para rin, pag hindi maubos, of course, hindi naman siya maubos, guys, kasi marami naman itong 2 baso. Meron pa tayo pang breakfast bukas. Pwede na tayo magluto, o, diba? Kunti na lang yung bigas natin, guys, oh. Ayan na lang. We have to buy more. Critical situation talaga, guys, pag naubusan ng bigas. Nanonood pala ako ng vlog ng aking beautiful friendship na Lola's family, guys, oh. Ayan, nag-shout out na siya, eh. Oh, diba? Check out her channel, guys. Malingaw, gid mo niya. What's that? Huh? Chicken. Chicken. Yes, let's say hi to our friends. Say hi to our friends, Abo. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
I love you all. She's flying kiss. Flying kiss din sa ila. Flying kiss. Nye, taga mag-ayos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Ay, siya siyang tigulang ni mama. So, ayan. Soft na yung karne, guys. So, isi-separate lang natin siya. Ilalagay natin siya sa isang bowl. Ayan. Smells so good. And yung sabaw din, guys, i-separate din natin siya. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng konting oil. Ayan. So, hahayaan ko na yung mga tira-tira dyan sa, talha, guys. Kasi masarap naman yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng garlic. Tapos, stir-fry natin konti yung meat natin. So, ito yung ating meat. So, pag mainit-init na siya, guys, then we can put all the meat. Ayan. Yung ating rice is currently cooking, but ang ating ulam ay finish na siya, guys. Very yummy. Yan lang yan, guys, kasi kami lang naman dalawa ni Mikey. Ayan. Nandito ang ating baby girl, guys. O, nanonood siya ng iPad. And again, yung mga tutupiin, guys, andyan pa, oh, hindi pa matapos-tapos. Hello, Nak! What are you doing, my love? Nak, what are you doing, Papa? I love you, baby girl. I love you, baby girl. I'm wondering how's Mike going na, guys. Natapos na kaya yung labada niya. Hindi pa naman siya nakatawag. Tingnan nyo, guys, sa background, guys. So, meron akong mani. Ayan, pang snack-snack po. Hi! Anong oras na, nak? What's the time, nak? Iwan ko kung anong oras na ngayon, guys. But all I know is, gusto kong liguan na ang aking buhok mamaya, guys, pag nakauwi na kami galing sa labadami. Si very malagkit na siya, guys. Oh. Mike, guys, coin laundry 424. Ayun na siya. Daddy's here, nak. Daddy's here. Oh. Good man. Call daddy, nak.
Daddy.
Call again.
Daddy. Daddy. Come back.
Kaluoy sa bata. Para magibiyaan sa daddy kasi lang na.
How?
I-open na to. Sige, call daddy. I-open na mga window. Call daddy. See if he can hear you. Call daddy.
Daddy.
Louder.
Daddy.
Louder ba?
Daddy.
Daddy! Like that. Come on.
Daddy. Daddy.
Nanak. Daddy heard you, nak. Yes, say daddy come back.
Daddy, come back.
Shout ba? Say daddy come back. What not?
Daddy, come back. Hi, Daddy.
Iyon na to, nak, be. Ang narang bata, panawaga sa iyang amahan. Say daddy come back.
Is he that?
Hmm?
Is he Daddy?
Yeah, daddy's there. Kapit na mahuman ka.
Daddy, come back.
Back. Daddy is washing clothes.
How? Like this. How? Daddy,
Bugaya ni mo na ko eh.
come back.
Come back. Call na daddy.
Daddy, come back. My phone.
Nakauwi na kami. Ayan na. Oh, 2 bags pa rin siya, pero dry na to silang lahat. Ayan. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon, guys, is magtutupi na lang tayo. Ay, naku, it will take forever, guys. Ang dami talaga. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Pero at least, guys, malinis na sila. Itutupiin na lang. Ayan. Oh my God. Sobrang dami. But, isi-serve ko na yung dinner natin, guys, para makakain na rin si Daddy Mike. Ayan. Tapos, kanin lang. Thank you for doing it, Daddy.
No problems.
Ayan. But yeah, really thank you to Daddy, guys, kasi siya talaga yung nagpaiwan doon. And, yeah, binantayan niya yung mga gamit. So, ngayon kakain na kami, guys. Ito ang ating batang gamay, oh. What's that, anak?
Hi, Pa.
Huh?
Hi, Pa. Say hi, Pa.
Say hi, Pa. Say hi, Pa. This is good for me. Tell Pa that's good for me.
Pizza.
That is, she knows pizza.
Akin na pizza. Kaya, Mommy.
What do you say?
Please.
Ask Daddy.
Daddy. Akin na
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, time check, guys, is na 11:17 na ng gabi. And kaya, guys, medyo parang natatagak na ang aking mata. So, very sleepy na tayo, guys. Nag-shower pala kami ni Paris kanina. Tapos, I took her to bed straight away. Kasi bukas, may childcare siya. Kaya, kailangan niyang matulog ng early kasi maaga yan siya gising bukas. And, ayan, nire-ready ko pa yung mga dadalhin niya bukas sa childcare. Tapos, yung susuotin pa niya bukas. So, pagkagising namin, hindi na kailangan maghanap-hanap pa ng mga susuotin. So, anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. I-end na natin yung video dito para makatulog na tayo. But as usual, thank you very much for watching our videos all the time. Appreciate ko kayong lahat. Yung mga nalabahan pala namin sa laundry shop, guys, nilagay ko sila lahat sa couch para makahinga naman sila and hindi parang makumot-kumot ba later kasi kailangan ko pa yun silang tupiin, guys. And oh, you got no idea gaano kadami yung mga damit sa couch ngayon, guys. Kasi meron pa akong hindi ko natapos last night. And ngayon, guys, there's more. And then, iwan ko, guys. So, magsha-shoutout lang tayo, guys. And first up is shoutout to Miss Joy Pangan, Christine Joy Tabak, Introvert Gail, Janet Gordon, Catalina Mempin, shoutout, Marife Cabanero, Red Sibial, hello Day, shoutout sa inyo diha, kumusta? Rosario Sabalye, Rosette Pasyente, Junray Gikan, and Gina Gikan, hello sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro, Bing Salve Salan, Daragang Magayon, Ella Soriano, shout out to Heart of Filipina Bella, Joanne Ambe, Ginalin's World, Maribel Patiag, shout out to Mary Jane Torno, April Rose Romero, Rosemary Romuar, Marie 22 Blue, Argel Tapal, Joy Fam, hello, Odessa Donghil. I have a really funny story, guys, but sa friendship natin si Odessa Donghil, nag-message sa akin na sa kakapanood daw niya ng mga videos ko, gakadamuguhan ako na sana naman maganda yung panaginip mo sa akin, dahil. Shout out to Kathleen Domo. Hello sa mga taga-barangay Size. Shout out to Richard Antiga, Chas Blog, Jane Solitario. Shout out to Cactus PH, Lolis Family. Hello, Day, and Baby Ikang. Shout out Diana Jane Bra and Marilyn Drudge. Yun lang yung shout out natin for tonight, guys. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching our video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye!